Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be installing a wig that I already wore. Lace is already cut, everything, so yeah, I'm just going to be putting it back on and restyling it. So let's get started. So first I am going to take my powdered, to take some of my NYX concealer, and I am going to use the lightest color, which is this one, and I'm gonna put that around the hairline area, right around this part. So I'm putting it inside, and this is a wig that I cut. I got this wig from Wig Dealer. This is a wig that I cut. I think it was originally, I forgot how long it was, maybe 16, 18 inches, and I cut it into like this curly bob looking look. So I'm putting it on the outside and the inside of the hairline to get it to look as natural as possible. And today I am going to use some of this. I usually use Milton spray from Wig Dealer, but I'm out of it and I gotta get some more, so I'm gonna use this yellow Gots to Be spray, and got my handy dandy blow dryer. So I am going to spray around. Matter of fact, before I do that, I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation, just a little bit, around this part. I don't feel like molding my cap, so I'm just gonna do this and keep it moving. And keep it moving. Okay, so I'm gonna spray around this area. I don't want it to drip. And this is gonna be a real easy install, real easy. Don't worry about if it drip, because you can always go back and remove the part that's dripping with like some alcohol in it. Oh my God. I definitely just messed up my brow, but it's all right. So I am going to make sure it's on low air. And I'm blow drying it until it feels sticky. Okay, so I didn't blow dry it too much because I don't want it to dry super fast. And then I am going to put it on. Make sure it's placed correctly where I want it to lay. It's already looking good. And I ain't even do the baby hairs yet. So cute. Okay, so now, before I do the baby hairs, I like to, before I do the baby hairs, I'm gonna just spray a little bit right there or whatever. It's okay if it's lifting. I'm gonna use this little stretchy band to put around it like this. And I'm going to dry it in cool air again, but this time I'm put it on high, just so it can dry in place. Okay, so now that we let that dry in about 5 minutes, I believe, didn't take that long, we are going to take it off, and then we're going to comb down. Wow, I ain't even gonna lie, that look good. Wow. Honestly, I don't even. I'm gonna put some over here. Excuse the dog. Excuse the dog, y'all. So I'm going to comb down the baby hairs. Yeah. And then for my baby hairs, I am going to use some of this. Only because I'm using this and I don't want it to lift up with that mousse. So, actually, I am going to use a little bit of the Gots to Be gel. Okay? And I'm going to be using my edge comber. And I'm just going to comb it lightly. I'm trying to give it that curl effect. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same with the other. Then I'm going to do the same with the other side. Right over here. We're going to get back to that part. Ignore that part. Okay. I'm just looking in the mirror, making sure it's even on both sides. Or close enough, I guess. So, whatever. Okay. And then, so this side is lifting a little bit. So I'm just going to put a little bit more melting spray. And then, hold on cold air. And I'm just using my finger for this part. Okay, and we're going to do the same with the other side because I think this side, somewhere, yep. I know it was a piece over here. Alrighty. We're going to do the same. Try for like 2 minutes, 5, 10 seconds. And I just like to use my finger for this part. You can use your comb, whatever you use. I just use my finger. Okay, so we got that all good. And then I'm just gonna make sure it's combed back. Okay, and then on this side, I don't think I'm gonna do too many baby hairs with this look. I think, should I put, okay, I think I'm gonna put a little piece right here. So I'm gonna put like a little piece right there. Very little. Not gonna add too much. So I want it to look natural. And then make sure it's laid. Okay, so next I am going to, now I need to see if I want a part or if I don't want a part. I don't know what I want to do. All right, so now I am just going to mousse like this back. And honestly, you know what? I think I want to do, and I did this style before a long time ago, but I never recorded it. I think I want to pull 2 strands down like this. I think I want to do this. I gotta make sure it's equal though. I'm talking about equal. Make sure it's equal so it falls the same. Definitely not equal. We'll what you doing. I need to bring this out over somewhere. I mean, it don't gotta be perfect, but I mean, close enough. I feel like, hey, no. Come on now. Okay. Bring this piece back. I feel like this just gonna have to do. This gonna have to do. This gonna have to do. All right, so now I'm gonna put some mousse on this part because we want this part to be laid and slayed. Laid and slayed, hunty. Laid and slayed. I ain't gonna put too much because remember I'm using the freeze spray and I don't want it to lift. I want it to stay like it is. So I'm gonna just comb that. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna comb this back, you know, all good and dandy. I gotta get that part out of there. All right, then I'm gonna hurry up and put my thing on because I don't want nothing lifting. All right, now that we got that tied down all good, I'm just gonna brush my wig out. Brush it on out. You know what? I'm thinking should I do like a cute little braid? I think that would be cute. So yeah, let's try that. Not a braid, but two braids. Like one on this side and one on that side. I think that'll be cute. So we're gonna try that out. We're gonna try that out. Okay. So while that's drying, I wanna make sure it's even. Wanna make sure no tracks is showing. All right. My headband back on. Put my headband on, okay. I'm gonna kind of scoot it back just a little bit. Trying to make sure that. Okay, so now that I have everything tied down, I am just going to spray my hair with the spray bottle, and I just mixed it with like water and leave-in conditioner. That's it. So I'm gonna spray it everywhere. And then just get to detangling this stuff. Look how pretty those curls are. Like, oh my God. I'm gonna do the same with the other side. Okay. Then I'm gonna put a little mousse. Not a little, a lot. A lot of mousse. A whole lot of mousse. A whole lot of body. When you drench your hair, that's when you get that exact definition you looking for. Okay? You gotta drench it to get them curls. Drench it. Okay? Look how pretty that is. Super pretty. So now I'm just gonna kind of shake it. Super pretty. And now I am going to wet the bang. I mean, yeah, the bangs, because that's what they call it. Wet them cute bangs. And usually I like to, my hair is so wet, but whatever. I like to shake it a little bit. And voila. Look how pretty these curls are. So pretty. So pretty, so pretty. Super pretty. So pretty. And then one I just got from under the dryer, and I didn't let it dry completely, but it's dry enough. So this is the finished look, guys. This was so easy. All I did was use some got to be freeze spray. I used some of this to lay my baby hairs. And then some mousse. And well, first I used the water mixed with the conditioner, and then I used some mousse. And then here we are. So pretty. Super pretty. Super pretty. Yep. So, yep, this completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next uploads. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.